Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Currently I'm in a place where there's a lot of plants, trees, fruit trees, mountains, and even near beaches. But since we are in the community quarantine because of the coronavirus, we are not allowed to go outside. But every single day I wake up and see all these plants, trees, in other words nature, and it's hard not to be inspired by them. So today I decided that my video will be inspired by nature, so let's start the video.
Memories die out too hard. And we were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I remember the ocean. Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island.